This is another synthetic division problem. One thing that I noticed right away is that my first exponent is x to the fourth, and I only have 4 terms. You should always have one more term than your highest exponent. So that tells me something's missing. And I can see right here it goes 4, 3, and then it goes straight to 1. So I'm missing an x squared term. So I want to make sure that's really clear, because when we do our synthetic division, we need to make sure we put in a 0 for that missing term. So on the outside, I'm going to have the opposite of this number. So instead of positive 6, I'm going to write negative 6. And then I need to have all my coefficients. So that would be 1, 6, and then the 0 that was missing, and then 5 and 30. So I should have 5 numbers because my highest exponent is 4. So now the first thing I do is drop down this 1, and now I'm going to multiply and add until I get to the very end. So I have negative 6 times 1, which is negative 6. If I add 6 plus negative 6, I get 0. Negative 6 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is still 0. Now I have negative 6 times 0. If I add down, I would get 5. And then negative 6 times 5 is negative 30. So then my last number is 0. So this last number here, this is my remainder. Since I have a remainder of 0, it means that I'm not going to have that fraction at the end. It goes in quite evenly. Now, my original problem started with x to the fourth. So this would be x cubed, x squared, x to the first, and a constant. Now you notice that my x squared and x to the first terms are 0. So I don't have to write those. I'm only going to write 1x cubed, and I'm not even going to write the 1, and then plus 5. And this is my final answer.